2021 Toyota Highlander. With less than 29,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll also love how it combines comfort and convenience with its cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver seat. Find your dream car and drive it home today.